Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today's video I want to share with you all this powerful hair growth treatment juice that you need on your scalp right now. Like, this juice is so powerful, it is the bomb, period. Like guys, this is going to help enhance blood circulation to your scalp, improve the quality of your hair. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of this juice treatment on your hair will grow your hair amazingly, guys. This mixture will help promote healthy hair. So guys, we are going to be needing ginger. Like, I cannot stress this enough because ginger is so powerful to your hair. Thank you all so much for the love and support that you guys are showing me on my video, for watching the video, liking the video, sharing the video, guys. It shows that you guys are really benefiting and like seeing that these natural ingredients are really helpful to the hair, guys. Thank you all so much for sharing the video, subscribing. Thank you all so much, guys. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video you don't want to miss it, guys. So we are going to be peeling off our ginger, washing it, and then dicing it up and adding it to the blender, guys. So we are going to be making use of ginger, guys. Ginger is so helpful. It has been helping a lot of people. We grow their hair, minimizing hair loss, guys. The next ingredient is curry leaf. I cannot just keep this ingredient to myself, guys. I want to share this with you all. I want you all to have healthy hair and grow your hair as well, and minimize whatever problem that you have that is going on with your hair, guys. So I want to share with you guys, in case you don't know, curry leaf is so amazing to the hair, guys. Curry leaves promote speedy hair growth. It controls hair loss, repair damaged hair, and prevent dandruff, and also it strengthens the hair, guys. Curry leaf is the bomb, guys. Curry leaf is so amazing to the hair. And the other ingredient we are going to be making use of is onion. If you can get fresh curry leaf, is great because we are going to be making juice out of it. Okay, so you can either use the fresh curry leaf. Okay, so we are going to be also making use of onion, guys. Onion is known to have a lot of sulfur. It also helps in the enhancement of blood circulation to your scalp and improving hair growth. So we will also be making use of our aloe vera juice. Okay, if you have the aloe vera juice, go ahead to add it in. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. Aloe vera can also help soothe your scalp and condition your hair. It can also help treat dandruff and itchy scalp, stimulate hair growth, repair hair strands, and moisturize natural hair. So we will also be needing our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is amazing for hair growth and also help to give you healthy hair and moisturize your hair as well. So guys, after blending, go ahead to strain it. Okay, I am going to be straining it because you want to strain this in order to remove the shaft, because you don't want this shaft on your hair, guys. After straining this, I'll go ahead to add in my DIY oils, which I will be linking in the description box below. Go ahead to add in any essential or any DIY oil that you already have. So I will be adding my ginger and onion oil, and also clove oil, which I made, which is already on the channel, guys. That oil is so amazing and you guys love it so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to be leaving it in the description box in case of you that have not seen the video, guys. This oil is super great for your scalp and promote healthy hair. It grow your hair, and also I will be adding in a little of my rice oil, guys. This rice oil is the bomb. Black rice oil is so great for your hair. I will be leaving it in the description box below because I will not be able to sell the benefits here. I made a special video about the oil already on my channel, so guys, check the description box out for the oil. In case you have not seen it, guys, the oil is the bomb, guys. So I'll be adding in my essential oil, which is lavender. Go ahead to add any essential oil of your choice. Go ahead to add any oil of your choice, guys. If you don't have any oil, you can leave it out, but adding all this is going to help moisturize your hair and also treat it, guys. This juice is the bomb because it moisturizes your hair, it treats your hair, like it is the bomb, guys. Okay, so guys, after putting in my essential oil and my oils, I went ahead to put it in this spray bottle. So go ahead and pour yours in a spray bottle and go ahead to spray it on your hair, guys. Can you guys see the shine of this oil? It is so shiny. This is how your hair is going to leave your hair shiny, well moisturized. Like, this juice is the bomb, guys. Can you guys see that glow on the oil on top of it floating? Make sure to shake it very well before you apply it on your hair, guys. I am super in love with this hair juice, guys. Our hair tends to grow from the roots at the bottom of a follicle under the skin. The blood in your scalp goes to the follicles and supplies oxygen and nutrients to the hair root, which helps hair grow. So as your hair grows, it will push through the skin and pass by an oil gland. There are so many things that you can do to keep your hair healthy. So endeavor to indulge in a lot of scalp massage and also using natural things on your hair and minimizing the heat that you use on your hair, minimizing the use of heat, coiling irons, straighteners that will damage your hair, guys. So this scalp massage will help promote relaxation to your hair and help boost hair growth, guys. So I will give my hair a good massage after applying this treatment. I will focus this treatment on my scalp, guys, because your scalp matters a lot. If your scalp is healthy, then it is very, very good. So you want to massage it on your scalp and then spray it all over your hair. Make sure every part of your hair is covered with this amazing hair growth treatment. So guys, after applying it everywhere, I will then go ahead to cover my hair with a plastic bag. You can also apply this treatment by pouring it onto your hair if it is remaining. After applying it on your scalp, go ahead and use the remaining one to rinse your hair, like so. Applying it everywhere, making sure the root of your hair is well covered, making sure everywhere is well covered. You can apply this by using a spray bottle or just pouring it directly to your hair, guys, making sure everywhere is well saturated. And then go ahead to cover your hair with a plastic bag, like so, with a plastic bag. And then I'm going to be leaving this for 30 to 1 hour, guys. After leaving it for 1 hour, go ahead to rinse it off with a warm water or a shampoo. You can either wash it off with a mild shampoo or warm water, guys. I hope you all find this video helpful. If you don't understand anything, if you have any question, don't forget to leave me on the comment section below, guys. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you all and bye bye.